The inside of my door. What the f? Why is the handle on the inside of my door covered in snow? I'm so confused. There's some bullshit. I can't even get my door open. Oh, get the f out the house. Oh. It's nice to have a f***ing snowblower. God. Anyways, y'all get me for the length of one smoky smoke. If I can get the smoky smoke lit. It is too cold. God. Puff puff. Yeah, we're lit. Jesus. Okay, Mother Nature, I'm sorry. All I wanted was a smoke. Put your anger back away. My Lord. Well, I'll grab my one-handed shovel here. Get the snow out from my door at least. Do the Yooper kick. We got the Yooper kick for these one-handed situations. I also got to slide too. That's the only thing that's falling on you. We got some snow. Too much of it, if I do say so myself. We got snow up here too. Come on, Yooper kick. Big John, the white stuff. If anybody wants some free snow, I got free snow. I got lots and lots of free snow. This is that cold, non-fun giving snow. Alright. Get the door started. Doorway cleared here. I'm trying to make it somewhat interesting for y'all to watch. This is still interesting to watch. Oh, my crazy ass. Hey, look! We found some yellow snow. Probably just drifting off the roof or something. Oh, my hands are frozen. I don't think a cigarette was worth this. No, I don't think so. I had a car. Let me die or snowblowed. Eating ice all over my neighbor's car. Well, you can see a bit anyways. You don't know how cold my little pinkies are. Look, I've only been out here for a couple minutes. It's red. Yeah. This is ridiculous. Very, very ridiculous. Sir, why are you driving? This is a public emergency. You should be home. Like me, I'm home. Alright, switching hands. This other hand's red and frozen. Oh, this is gonna suck. Horribly. Okay, let's walk to this side. Oh, God. I'm up past my knees. There is no sign of my vehicle. None. Is it gone? Where's Steve's car? Steve! Steve! You don't got a car no more. There's his wife's car. I forget her name. I'm sorry, Steve. I'm a horrible neighbor. Anyways. I ain't showing no house number, so should be good. But yeah. Oh, it's in my boot. Oh, it's so cold in my boot. My poor hands are just nothing but red. Oh my God, it's so deep. I have a concrete board that's lifted, plus packed snow. Oh, this is not fun. My hands are red popsicles. Kids, don't smoke. It's not healthy for you. Neither standing out in this. I want a snowblower. All I got is a power shovel and a hand shovel. And I gotta deal with this. Does it not zoom out anymore? No. Yeah, my car's buried. Sir, can you come back and give a round man a little help? No? This isn't even the worst of it yet. We're supposed to be getting the worst of it like from now until mid-afternoon. So yeah. Y'all want to see how silly I look? Hold on. I had to steal the ghetto one. My hands are so cold. I'm going back inside and ending this now. But I'll give you guys one last look before we go in. I've survived out here about as long as I can stand it. It's a golf course back there. And a poor grill. Alright. Well, I'll update y'all in a few hours. This is fun. Not really. Oh, God. Yeah, it's lonely. I know. Nobody cares about snow. Poor old Peter up here freezing his ass off. Trying to bring y'all the content. The wind is brutal. Thankfully, I got high boots. But, oh, that wind. Alright, I'm going this up. My little piggies are legitimately going to fall off here in about 2 seconds. So, enjoy it. I'll update in a couple hours.